Our question number 7 is a powerful way to ask for the order. It's my favorite ask. Will you trust me with these recommendations? Let me give you a couple examples of how you can use this. Suppose you get to the end of the process, you simply say something like this. Now, Mrs. Prospect, based on everything you've told me, I've developed some solutions and some recommendations for those solutions. I'm going to recommend product A because earlier you said that you could really use that product. I'm going to recommend product B because you said you had this issue. Now, here's the thing, Ms. Prospect. I realize there's 100 different companies that could solve these problems for you. But if you trust my company, a couple of things are going to happen. Number one, everything is going to happen exactly the way I've told you here today. And if there's a problem, number two, we're going to treat you just the way we treated Sarah Parker. So the only question I have to ask you is very simple. Will you trust me with these recommendations? You see, my friends, this is how you ask for the order. Will you trust me? If you've built the trust, if you've closed the doors, you have the right to ask that very simple question. The key to successfully close the deal is to specifically ask for the order and politely and respectfully hold your prospect accountable to everything they've said and agreed to as you escorted them down the sales hallway. Now, if you've cut corners during the sales process, you're going to pay the price at this point. If something comes up at the close that you have not already addressed and covered with your prospect, you will struggle to maintain control of the process. You have to have the courage and confidence to hold your prospect accountable. Again, having a well-prepared and well-rehearsed closing sequence makes the process less stressful and improves your effectiveness by keeping you on track. You've got to know exactly what you're going to say and what questions you're going to ask because it'll help you maintain your focus and keep the process moving forward towards the ultimate goal of closing the opportunity and, of course, earning a commission. Keep your close simple, honest, and direct. If you've genuinely extended yourself to your prospect, if you've created the appropriate solutions to their problem and offered a fair value, you can be confident that you've earned the right to ask for the order.